Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to sign up to your Wikipedia account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already installed Wikipedia app in your device. Now let's get started. Open your Wikipedia app. Here we go. Here at the top right corner, you can see that settings option. Tap on that. Now at the top, you can see login option. Tap on that. As you don't have Wikipedia account, you have to tap on join Wikipedia. Here I go. Here you have to enter your username. Now you have to give password to your account here. You have to re-enter your password. Now you have to enter your email ID. Now you have to enter that captcha here. After you have filled up on all the information, you have to tap on create your account option. Here I go. If you want to save password, tap on save password, but for now I will be skipping this process. In this way, you can easily sign up to your Wikipedia account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.